Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. A video surfaced this week of an Iranian Bitcoin mining operation running inside a mosque, buildings which receive free electricity in the country. It was reported that $260,000 worth of Bitcoin have been mined inside 100 different Iranian mosques. Meanwhile, the government is shutting off power to identify Bitcoin miners and have seized about 1,000 ASIC miners from 2 abandoned factories. Square's Cash App is launching Bitcoin deposits. Cash App users can purchase and sell Bitcoin, and they can also make cryptocurrency transfers to other wallets. The app might have started rolling out the feature prior to full launch, according to Bitcoiners on Twitter, as deposits are not yet available for all Cash App users. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission has cleared Bitcoin derivatives provider LedgerX to offer physically settled Bitcoin futures contracts. Unlike the cash-settled Bitcoin futures, in a physical settlement, the buyer receives Bitcoin when a contract expires rather than the fiat equivalent. LedgerX is the second company to receive approval to offer physically settled Bitcoin futures. And finally, Coinbase released a report stating that 58% of Americans are able to identify Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency, whereas 37% are aware of it in general. Also, BitRefill has unveiled a new recharge service which allows Lightning Network integration with Coinbase. Coinbase users will be able to easily leverage the full capabilities of the Lightning Network through their Coinbase accounts. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.